Hey gorgeous girls, welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back. Welcome if you are new to the channel. My name is Tatiana and today I am getting into a transformation on myself using this gorgeous unit that I received from MyFirstWigs. I'm wearing their natural texture Yaki blunt bob. This unit is described as their glueless invisible pre-cut lace frontal wig that comes with free parting with a pre-plucked hairline and zigzag finish to the lace trim to help give a realistic look once you lay your lace. Pre-bleached knots and an adjustable strap for a snug comfort fit while wearing their units. And my favorite thing about MyFirstWig units are that their pre-styling options and pre-color services are very much so high quality. And it's perfect for my girlies that don't like to do a lot of customizing at home on their self. So this is definitely one of their beginner-friendly wigs, you guys. It's a gorgeous unit to have for the warmer months. You know, Bobbiana season is coming around. We're not going to be trying to have hair all down our butt. So if you're looking for a bob, girl, this just might be the one. It's Yaki texture, so it looks super natural. It does give you that grown out of scalp vibe as soon as you pop it on. I did have to add a little bit of foundation powder because I did have a full face of makeup on this day. So I wanted to make sure that that lace was giving what lace. It was giving melted. And yeah, I was feeling myself. But can we get into this cut, you guys? I'm trying to tell you guys, MyFirstWig's pre-cut services are amazing. I wanted to take my flat iron over the hair one more time before I went with the curl look that you guys seen in the beginning. I wanted to press it out so you guys can see how amazing this hair falls on my neck. And I am not even an asymmetrical girly. I almost caught myself falling in love with this look. I did trim it a little bit in the front because I don't know what it is about asymmetrical vibes that I can't commit to it for whatever reason. But I'm gonna quickly flatten the rest of my hair out and I am going to get into laying the lace with you guys in a second. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made P hands like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and hands, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is handbags like I drove through it with a fast food. Saying I'm too guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked to? 7 bodyguards. Alright girlies, so it's time to melt this lace. I'm using my 𝐖𝐢𝐠 New York lace melt spray in the red can and I combined it with my got2b glue. These two together are going to have your lace in place and intact all night, you guys. It's going to give you that melted lace look that we do love. And now that I have the elastic band on, I'm going to let that get tacky and dry completely before I remove it. I'm doing a little trimming to the hair like I mentioned before. Once we get that all cleaned up, I am going to be opening up my part with my concealer and I'm going to start styling the hair with my Conair flat iron. This barrel is so much easier to achieve these type of curls with. I think they have this one at Target, you guys, if you were interested. And I'm going to remove that elastic band because when I say baby, I was about to pass out. That thing was tight, okay? But look at that lace. She is melted. It looks so amazing. And with this curled look, I feel like this freaking wig just turned out to be chef kiss. I was obsessed. If you guys enjoyed this install, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. I'm going to finish styling the hair up with you guys. I'm going to let you guys vibe out to the music. I love y'all so much and I appreciate you always and forever for supporting me and watching my videos. It never goes unnoticed and I can't wait to show you guys my next style. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so you guys are notified. I'm going to be taking my T3 curling iron just to flatten the hair out. I like to use this if I'm kind of in a rush and I don't feel like pulling out that hot comb. All the information to this exact unit will be linked in the description box below. You guys, the sales are going crazy on MyFirstWigs. You don't want to miss out. I love you guys so much and I will see you on my next one. Bye girlies. September we falling off, but I'm still a man, you trying to win it over. October is all about me, cause your time should have been over. November got your mood board in for next year and you're single. December the gift giving month, and now you wanna bring your candle right. Trying to build trust on me, and then your hands how they trying to bag you. Ironic how the news I got a bunch of ended up being bad news. Get a nigga here for 50 racks, girl, the beef cost like a ragu. Get a nigga here, I make his ass see the light like a half moon. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made P hands like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and hands, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is handbags like I drove through it with a fast food. Saying I'm
talk to, guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try to crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me, it's unnatural. If I don't pay your rent, it end up like a whole hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't
Damn.